The other way to look at this is that to understand that while a lot of large companies or more established companies spend less on digital marketing, uh, the corollary to that is that they spend far more on traditional marketing, which leads to a lot of effort into building the brand, and a lot of brand recall happens because of the traditional marketing, which in turn helps improve the overall ROI of your digital marketing effort, which in turn helps you maintain a lower spends on digital. So it's important to understand that while traditional firms spend less on digital, because of the fact that they spend a large chunk on traditional marketing, their need to spend on digital reduces, given the fact that traditional had already created enough brand recall. This is completely different and completely opposite for startups, especially because they have to do both brand building and actual conversion only through primarily digital marketing channels. So that's a challenge. However, how we typically should be focusing on, or the question that we should be focusing on, is that depending on whatever budget that you have, how do you actually spend it? And what I mean by spend is how do you optimize the spend? Do you optimize the spend for maximum reach? That is, you want to make sure that your ad reaches to as many people as possible, or do you want to optimize it for maximum conversion, which means that you only need to reach out to the people that are more likely to buy your product. Rule of thumb is that whenever you're starting off, always focus on maximum conversion right at the start. And once your brand starts to build, then focus on maximum reach. So what happens is that when your brand recall is low, even if a lot of people see your ad, they may not convert. You end up spending money just for the reach. But as your brand starts to grow, then you focus on reach so that more people are, likely to sort of click on the ad that they see. So you always start with maximum conversion and then optimize your ads for maximum reach. This is the best possible way to optimize whatever limited budgets that you have as a startup.